Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to use the average if formula. For example, this row, every row is giving the details of a single patient. So this first patient is admitted in medicine ward, has diabetes as a comorbidity, and the total expense incurred is around 10,000 rupees. Okay, so likewise, for every row mentions represents the separate patient. Okay, so if I want to know the average expenditure a person with hypertension admitted in medicine ward would incur, then I can use this formula of averages. Okay, the formula is pretty simple. Averages. So the first criteria I need to give is the average range. So my cost range is going to be from here to here. That is from C2 to C15. So I'm going to type it C2 to C15. This is my range from which my average should be calculated. Then my first criteria. So my first criteria is that the ward in which the patient should be present. This is the first criteria. So the criteria range is going to be here, which contains the list of all the wards for different patients. Okay, so it is A2 is to A15. This is my criteria range 1, and my criteria is going to be F4. Okay, this simply means that whatever I'm typing here, okay, whichever ward's name I'm typing here, that ward should be considered for the final result. That what it simply means criteria. So, and this F4 is the address of the cell, which is going to influence what will be displayed in the average cost. So, one criteria is the name of the ward. Second criteria is going to be the comorbidity present. So, for that, the criteria range is B2 is to B15, and the actual criteria is going to be G4, which simply means that whatever comorbidity is typed here, is mentioned here, that should be considered for calculating the average cost. So now we have two criteria. So for the cost, average cost to be calculated, two criteria should be considered. First criteria is the ward in which the patient is admitted. The second criteria is the comorbidity. So now we'll give enter. Okay, so in medicine ward, a patient admitting with hypertension would incur an average cost of 27,776. Whereas if a patient is in surgery ward with hypertension, he would incur a cost of 13,000 on an average. If same patient, if a different patient in surgery ward with diabetes is admitted, he would incur a cost of around 1,000 rupees. So this is how the average if functions can be used. Thank you.